30. Inspirations for basement master bedrooms. Most people see basements as forgotten spaces, dark, cold, and hidden. They are places to store old boxes, dusty furniture, or things we no longer use. But what if that basement could be reborn? What if the lowest level of your home could become the most intimate, inspiring, and restorative room you've ever had? Imagine walking down the stairs into a place that feels like an escape from the world, yet still belongs to you, a basement master bedroom designed with soul. Let us take a journey through 30 different styles. Each one reshapes the atmosphere of the basement, turning it from a lifeless space into a sanctuary of dreams. Today, we explore a modern minimalist basement master bedroom featuring clean white walls, a low platform bed, hidden LED lighting, and minimal decor, creating a serene and uncluttered space. Wabi Sabi's simplicity embraces rough plaster walls, wooden beds, handmade pottery, and natural textures for a serene, imperfect aesthetic. Shabby chic basement bedrooms use distressed furniture, lace bedding, soft floral wallpaper, and crystal chandeliers for a cozy vintage look. Mountain Cabin Lodge style incorporates wood-paneled walls, stone fireplace, heavy quilts, and timber furniture, transforming the basement into a cozy alpine retreat. Desert boho design features earthy terracotta tones, clay textures, patterned rugs, pampas grass, and natural wood, creating a warm and inviting style. Gothic dramatic style features black walls, velvet drapes, iron canopy beds, and candle-style sconces, offering a moody and theatrical ambiance. The Scandinavian comfort basement bedroom incorporates light wood flooring, whitewash walls, cozy rugs, and simple wooden furniture, resulting in a warm and inviting atmosphere. Hollywood Regency features mirrored surfaces, bold contrasts, plush fabrics, and tufted beds, giving the basement a glamorous, cinematic atmosphere. Art Deco Revival style uses geometric patterns, gold accents, mirrored furniture, and dramatic lighting, delivering a luxurious vintage feel. Mediterranean escape style includes textured plaster walls, terracotta floors, wrought iron decor, and white linens, bringing warmth and coastal charm. Moroccan paradise design presents mosaic tiles, low beds with patterned fabrics, and pierced metal lanterns, creating an exotic and colorful space. Bohemian dream design features layered rugs, hanging fabrics, eclectic pillows, and colorful decor, creating an artistic and vibrant basement space. Mid-century modern basement bedrooms include warm wood furniture, retro color accents, and iconic geometric designs, offering classic style and functionality. Tropical retreat bedrooms incorporate bamboo furniture, leafy plants, rattan decor, and white-green bedding, simulating a lush tropical environment. Futuristic high-tech basement bedrooms showcase neon LED lighting, glossy surfaces, smart glass, and advanced furniture technology. The luxury hotel suite basement bedroom showcases a velvet headboard, marble flooring, ambient lighting, and king-size luxury linens, offering sophistication and elegance. The classic elegance basement bedroom features paneled walls, chandeliers, antique furniture, and carved beds, evoking timeless refinement. Zen sanctuary style utilizes tatami mats, shoji screens, low futon beds, bonsai plants, and calming tones for a minimalist and meditative environment. Moving on, the rustic lodge design presents exposed wooden beams, stone accents, and a timber bed, turning the basement into a cozy mountain retreat. Urban loft style is characterized by open layouts, modern furnishings, large rugs, and bold wall art, providing a metropolitan feel in the basement. Minimal Japandi style fuses Japanese simplicity and Scandinavian warmth with low beds, pale wood, neutral tones, and clean lines for a tranquil basement. Cottagecore romantic style includes floral quilts, pastel curtains, wicker furniture, and wooden beds, evoking nostalgic countryside charm. Next, the industrial chic style is highlighted by exposed brick walls, steel beams, concrete floors, and a leather bed frame with Edison bulb lighting, giving the basement a strong urban character. Transitional style blends traditional and modern elements with neutral walls and stylish furnishings, delivering a balanced and timeless basement bedroom. French country design emphasizes antique furniture, cream-colored walls, delicate patterns, and soft fabrics, providing a romantic and elegant ambiance. Coastal breeze style employs whitewashed furniture, seafoam blue walls, sandy-toned rugs, and airy linens, creating a seaside-inspired environment.